This is our mega storm. So far, it's only about 4 inches, and it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. The snowplow just came by, so the street's nice and clear.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my camera.
Oh. Oh, look at that.
Here's a view of the birds having a little snack in this windy, snowy day. Here's the little woman cleaning the driveway for the old man.
What did you say?
You're the little woman who does all the work. How nice.
Where, should I go?
Hey, watch out. What? Number boy. I want to see. There's the snowplow. Nice and clean down to blacktop. Got about a foot of snow. Look at her. Nice job.
I did the walkway.
Yeah, good girl. There she is, the fleißige Kotscherin.
Almost 65 and can still shovel. And no shortness of breath. Oh. Oh. Come on.
Well, here we are, the morning after the blizzard of 2016. We got about 2 feet of snow here. You can see it's a little bit shoveled last night, and we still, after the shoveling, got another 4 inches. There's a snowbank on my roof that's at least 4 feet deep. You can see down the block. It's all white. And the plows have not been here. I don't know how I'm going to walk the dog. But anyway, it's a beautiful day.